Welcome to 20x Gadgets. Today we're gonna see how powerful is Microsoft PowerPoint for us in our daily life. If you are a student, researcher, or working in a company, then these tips will surely help you a lot. I will be sharing more and more tips about Microsoft services in the future as well. If you want to get updated, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's start the first 3 useful tips in PowerPoint. First of all, we will be looking into conversion of PowerPoint presentation to a PDF format. Secondly, we will see how we can convert our slides into the video. Thirdly, we will see how we can record our laptop or PC screen in HTMP4 format. I have this PowerPoint slide which is my final year project. If you want to design this kind of slides, then let me know in the comment below and I will make a video for you to learn. Tip number 1, convert the PowerPoint presentation into PDF. From the top left corner, go to File, click Export, then click Create PDF or XPS. A new window will prompt to save the PDF file in our PC or laptop. You can see we have the optimization option before we save this file. Standard option will be bigger in size, but it will keep the pixels as it is. So quality is not compromised. You can also minimize the size, but the quality will be low in this option. We have another options button on the right. If you click this and it prompts another window to change the setting. Either we want to export all slides or current slide or selected slides. All slides will export all the slides from the beginning to end. Current slide will export only the current active slide in PowerPoint. You can select multiple slides in PowerPoint, then choose selected slide option and will export only those selected slides. Another way to export the PowerPoint presentation to PDF is go to top left corner and click File. Then click Print. In the printer option, select Microsoft Print to PDF. You can also mention which slide to export in the PDF by comma separated slides numbers. And if you want to export all the slides or number of slides on each. You can also mention number of copies you want to export from top copies option. Tip number 2, how to convert slides into MP4 video. Go to top left corner and click File. Then click Export. Then click Create a video. You can set the quality as Full HD, Ultra HD or HD format. You can also specify the time span for each slide. In my case, I put 4 seconds. And final step is to click Create Video. A window prompt will appear to save the file and you can choose your destination directory to save this video. Tip number 3 and most useful feature in Microsoft PowerPoint is to record our PC or laptop screen. We don't need any other screen recording software because we can record screen in free and HD format. Nowadays, most of the screen recording softwares are on 7 to 30 days trial and then need to pay monthly or yearly. We can create another empty slide. Go to the top main menu and click recording. Then from bottom menu click screen recording. A new selection tool appear to select the area to record. Select your desired area and click record. Display our video. Once you are done, then click Window plus Shift plus Q on your PC keyboard to end the recording. You can see the recording is added into the slides and we can play it as well. To save this, right click on the video and select Save Media As. Choose your directory to save the video and it is done. This is for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to send your feedback in the comment below and I will love hearing from you. Thank you.